Hey Kenley kids, you're on Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? I came across your product listing, the Kids Travel Play Tray, and I wanted to take a closer look. But first, congrats on your 4.5-star rating on Amazon. I know how competitive this category is, so seeing this was a job well done. My name is Jewel, a business development representative for my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So, in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rates. So let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic, and what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. And looking at your distribution here, I can see you're organically indexing for 12, and this gets you free exposure. However, there's still hundreds of additional keywords that you can index for, and you can check out this word cloud right here, as these are the most important keywords for your listing. Also, I see here that you're not running ads, and this could mean you are leaving money on the table because paid traffic is actually the fastest way to grow sales, and this can be done profitably if you know what keywords to target. We usually recommend a golden ratio of 1 to 2 here, that is, one paid for every two organics for you to index better. Now, down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volume. So, right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities. But as you can see, there's still lots of empty spaces here, and these are missed opportunities for you guys. Say for the keyword phrase, travel essentials kids with 2,000 searches, and you're not being seen at all. So imagine the increase in sales there. Now there's road trip essentials for kids with 2,800 searches. You're organically ranking at 271. Travel tray, 59 searches, and you're not being seen. So imagine the increase in sales if customers can find you using these keyword phrases right here. Now we can help you push these rankings up, ideally into single digits, because that's where most buyers click and sales happen. Now, here's how big your category is on Amazon. And just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase travel tray alone, there is more than $600,000 in monthly revenue, and the top sellers are getting $10,000 on average. And I see here that there's still plenty of market share that you can tap into. And for this ASIN, you are able to sell one unit generating $40, but that's not getting your fair share here. So imagine your brand getting as much as the average. Now, we can help you grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Now, let's take a look at one of your competitors here. This is from the brand Lusso Gear, but this is not to compare products at all. There are differences for sure, price wise, design, material, but I just wanted to show you how they strategize on their keywords and see how we can benefit from them. So this brand was able to sell 346 units, that is compared to your one. Now, looking at their keyword strategy, this is what's driving the difference. So they're organically indexing for more keywords than you guys, 673 versus your 12. And this means more chances of ranking for key search terms. On top of that, they're supporting it with 240 paid keywords, giving them even more visibility. So this is why their sales are higher. Now, clearly, we see the huge gap there in the numbers, but we can help you close that gap by running a keyword gap analysis. So that is where we identify our top 10 competitors and integrate their high converting keywords into your own listing. And speaking of keywords, we can share this keyword export here for free if you book a quick call with us today. Moving on to your product detail page. So the overall look of this strongly affects your conversion. So the title and bullet points are the best areas for keyword indexing. I think I would say this is good, 200 characters, and you can add 5 bullet points with 250 characters each, and make sure that you update these regularly, as SEO is not set and forget. Now your image stack has 7 images. Your main image has a white background. You've got your lifestyle and demographic photos there, infographics and feature photos. So that's nicely done. You can also add videos to help with your listing's credibility. Now I see that you're not brand registered yet. So I highly recommend you take advantage of this, because let me show you the benefits. I don't see your brand store there. So if you are brand registered, I would be redirected to a brand store like this. And This helps you add credibility on Amazon, therefore giving you better visibility and sales. Now, you'd want to have access to this and an A plus content like this one here that allows brand owners to create visually appealing product description. And you can also incorporate 500 to 1,000 words of SEO here, a copy to use your SEO and index more. So definitely take advantage of Amazon's brand registry. But those are just a few tips. If you want to learn more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.